Hi, I felt pretty bad today in class. I didn't get to very many problems, so this is problem number one on homework set two. And what I was trying to say is I broke it up into three cases because I think that the having the digits 3, 4 next to each other, that kind of causes some issues because you need to know where that is sitting in the problem. So if you break a problem up into three mutually exclusive cases, then we know by the axioms that I can just add up those probabilities in the end. So, I mean, definitely there's lots of different ways to do it, and I'm not always the quickest at seeing if things match up, but let me do at least, let me show you the three cases I'm thinking about. Let me grab a pen here. Um, Red is nice. So, case one, maybe I'll just go ahead and do case one, is I'm going to put 4, 3. I'm going to consider like 4, 3 as one digit. So, think of 4, 3 together now, just as a grouping. Okay, and in my cases, I could put 4, 3 at the beginning, I could put 4, 3 at the end, or I could put 4, 3 in the middle. So case one, I'm going to put 4, 3 as the initial digit, as the first digit. Okay, so here's how I thought about it. So here's space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm only putting 9 digits because I'm considering 4, 3 as one digit. So the items that I can put in these spaces are the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I already said on this case, what I'm going to just do is I've decided I'm going to put 4, 3 as my first digit. So this is in the first place. And now I have the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth digits to think about. So there was only one choice for putting 4, 3 here. So that will give me 1. But I can rearrange 4, 3 as 3, 4. So I'm going to multiply by 2 factorial just for the number of ways to rearrange that. So the first slot is done. But now I have to worry about I wanted an odd integer. So here, since 4, 3 is already out, my only choices then for odd are 1, 5, 7, and 9. So I saw a lot of people getting their answer, then dividing by 2, saying half of them are even. And I don't think you can do that just because of the 3, 4 combination. So anyway, that's going to give me 4 options right here, right? Because I could put an odd. I should have just said I can put an odd here. So I'm going to multiply this by 4 because there's 4 opportunities for odds. And let's just say, I mean, you could have any of these. Let's just say 7 went in that place. And now I have these slots left, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements to go in here, which makes sense because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 factorial ways. 7 factorial ways I can rearrange these in the center. So that's 7 factorial. So that's the number of ways I could rearrange digits, having 4, 3 in the first position, having an odd at the end, and then anything in the middle. And a probability is I'm going to divide by the total number of 10-digit integers. And in all these slots, in the first slot you can't put 0, so there's only 9 choices for your first digit of a 10-digit number, and then all the other ones can be anything, so 9 factorial. So this is just one probability from case 1, and when I get case 2 and case 3 I'll add it to it. And so I'll just say I'm going to be adding something else right here, and I'm going to be adding another one right here, and here's the 2 other cases I considered. Case 2, I thought the next easiest place to go is just to put 4, 3 as the last digit. So I didn't think that's not very bad either, because if you stick that there, you know it can't be 4, 3, and 3, 4. It has to be 4, 3. You can't put a 0 here, and everything kind of falls out. And then the last case, I haven't considered everything. So 4, 3 is somewhere in the center. So 4, 3, which you can also write as 3, 4. 4, 3 between first and ninth digit. digits. And so then that's where I got the probability here. So I have a probability from case 2 and a probability from case 3, and I add them all up. And that's how I got my final probability. And if anyone wants to put one on Piazza and we can start checking and saying, yeah, I agree, disagree, that's fine too. So I hope this helps, and I think I'll just try to post it in YouTube. I forgot how to do some of this. All right, on to the next problem.